What's up, y'all? So I got this wig off of Amazon and I am loving it so far. I did wash it and I have worn it before. This is from Isee Hair, and as you can see, it is a 4x6 closure, and it did come with an elastic band, which was great because it hugs your head, and then it also comes with a clip on the back. But other than that, it's a pretty good wig. You can adjust your straps the way you like them. And yeah, so let's get into the video. I'm not going to ramble too much about it, but just so you all know some details, here we go. First, I'm going to start off by applying my bald cap, and I'm going to just put this on. I'm not going to lay it down or anything, but I do this just to protect my hair from under the wig. I'm going to go in here with some makeup to tint the bald cap so it can match my skin color as close as I can get it. Now that I've tinted my bald cap, I'm going to go in and go ahead and start applying my wig. And usually when I apply the wig, I do like to check it first before like laying any glue down, just to see how it looks when I put it on and if I need to go in on my wig with some makeup as well. And I'm just going to hit my wig with some makeup here just so I can get it to my skin tone as well, just a little bit better than how it's looking now. Perfect. That personally looks a lot better to me. So since I got it all together, I'm just going to start adjusting it, and then I'm going to go in and do the actual application now that I see that it looks pretty good. And I'm going to do a pull test so y'all can literally see that you can put this wig on your head and go. You don't have to glue it down if you don't want to. But personally, I just like to do it because I just like the look of it. Now I'm going to go in with my ebony spray and just hit the parts of my lace that I want to lay down. And I just do like a little finger pat on the edges to kind of smear it in a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just so I can go ahead and hit the ends of my hair. And I do like to go in like with my rat tooth part of my comb and just kind of just lay down the edges a lot more while I'm blow drying it as well. Now I'm going to go in with my band because I want the lace to be as flat as possible. So I'm just going to go and wrap this around, and I'm going to try to leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour. Like Miss E. Kane said, band for an hour. But I don't have an hour, so I'm going to band for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with my Amika hair protectant, and now I'm going to actually start laying down my hair and styling it while I do have my band on. Now I'm going to go in with my hot comb because your girl is trying to get this install as flat as possible at the top. The braids is flat, so I need the actual wig to be flat too. Now I'm gonna go in and brush my hair out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the band, and boom, now it's as flat as I want it to be. Now I'm gonna go back in with the makeup to try to get it to blend as much as I can. Now I'm gonna go back in with my hot comb and just try to get as close to the scalp as I can, because girl, like I said, I need this wig to be flat. And I don't know about y'all, but this always gives me anxiety when I'm doing this, because I do not want to burn my forehead when I'm trying to do this at the top. Now we are all good at the top. So now I'm just going to go through with the comb and comb out my hair, and then I am going to do some curls. Now that I've finished curling my hair, I'm just going to go through and comb out the curls, because I do want it to have like that wave look. And this part does always make me nervous, just because of the simple fact I don't want to comb out the curls and then it looks straight and crazy. But it actually came out pretty good when I combed them out, and then I went through with my fingers as well. Okay, you guys, so this is the finishing result of my hair, and it came out great. I really like the way it came out. So if you like what you saw, you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them down below, and I will love to answer any questions you guys have. Like, comment, and subscribe, and then I will be coming with some more hair content. If you guys like what you see, if you want to see something else, let me know. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.